So hello again, time now for another Feature Friday. This time we're going to talk about the health field that has appeared on asset and location records. And you say, the health field? I didn't notice that. Well, let's take a look at it and see how we can use it. Okay, so here we are. We are logged into Application Suite, and specifically we are in Manage. So I'm going to go ahead and open the Assets application. I'm actually going to open up my own custom application so I can show you things. And I'm going to fill the list view here of assets. I'm going to choose the very first asset somewhat randomly there. And I want you to see that there is a health field right here. Now obviously I've moved it up from the bottom of the screen, but there is a health field, something new. And I'll also mention that this same field appears on location records. So let's select the field and do an Alt-I and get a little more information about it. You can see that it is definitely a field that is in the asset table, and there is a description there for you. And I might mention that it says the information is coming from the Reliability Engineer Work Center. Well, that actually means the health component of Application Suite. So let's go look. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come over here to the upper right, 9 dots, click on Health. And as you know, Health rides on top of Manage, so there is common information between those two. I'm going to come up here to my query bar, and I'm going to drop down to a very specific list. I'm after these power transformers. Then I'm going to choose the very first asset here, and I want to show you where that information comes from. So the value that is recorded in the health field on the asset or location record is coming right here from this default metric. You can see in this case that this particular asset, 12005, has 100% perfect health. That's a good thing. Now I'm going to browser back to Manage. And yes, you can use the browser tab or the browser back and forth icons to move between the different pieces of Application Suite. So I'm going to go back to the asset list view. I'm going to fill my list view with all of the records. I'm going to filter for that specific asset, 12,005. And notice over here on the right-hand side, I did add the health score to my list view, so that's convenient. There's that asset that I was looking for. And there's its specific health field with its specific 100% value in there. So now that we have values in these fields, we can use them for searching and filtering and KPIs and reports and things like that. So there you go. That's what the health field is all about in asset and location records. Hope that was helpful.